Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a keypad phone which has a 3000 mAh battery, as you can see here, and it has a 4 LED torch. It is from Karbonn. It is called K888 K88 metal phone, and it has something called 108 days replacement guarantee within 12 months warranty. This is the normal warranty you get for 12 months, and you can replace this phone between 108 days. And as you can see in the box, this is the design, how it looks. Here you got some features about the phone. It has a 7.1 centimeter screen. It has a wireless FM radio with recording. It has 3000 mAh powerful battery, music player, audio recording, mobile tracker, dual SIM, vibration mode, Bluetooth, expandable up to 16 GB, and it has a digital camera. And that's almost it. This side you can see the code, and pricing, it is around it's written around 1740, but it is available on Amazon for 1299 only, without any delivery charges. So let's unbox this phone, and it's like this. You got stuff inside. Here's, I think, the warranty card, user manual, and this is the adapter, I guess. What type of adapter they're using, let me check. I just hope it is micro USB, because it's hard to find different chargers. Yes, hopefully, and it's a good sign that it is using micro USB cable. So the good thing is I can use any micro USB cable on my phone. It doesn't need to be this charger only. And as you can see, it's not visible, but it is 0.5 volt, half ampere like charger. And then comes the battery. This is the 3000 mAh battery, which is going to be inside the phone. Yeah, a keypad phone seems like a big battery, and it's quite bulky. And then there are something like a earphone. What kind of earphone it is, let me check. Okay, it's a normal earphone. That's what we expect to be in this. At least you get an earphone in this. You won't get an earphone in like a 30,000 phone. So, and I think this is the smartphone. It is stuck in the thing, like it doesn't come out this way. I think it comes out this way. Okay, so here's the Karbonn 888 metal phone. It seems like metal, but it is so light. It looks good. And then it is quite fat, as you can see, but it feels good while holding in the hand. That's the sound from the buttons. And here's a screen protective, I guess. You need to put one. And here's the micro USB charging cable, and here's the 3.5 mm jack, and here's the microphone, I guess. And here's the 4 big torch, and this is the camera, digital camera, and here's the speaker. Here's the front grill, and here's the flashlight button and 4 clickable buttons. And let me just open this and put this thing inside, like battery. It feels like metal, but I think this is not metal, it is plastic. They only kept the name as metal. As you can see, it from inside some SAR value. And let me put in the battery. You can put dual SIMs here. Those will be 2G SIMs over here, and a micro SD supports up to 16 GB, as we read before. And after putting the battery, let me close this. And let me turn this on. You can see the Karbonn logo. Oh my god, it is so fast, like it boots in 1 second or something like that. The fastest booting phone in the world, maybe you can say. Like seriously, in my whole life I haven't seen so fast boot. Like it was so fast. This is how it looks from back, and you saw the front camera, the back camera, how it clicks a picture. It is not okay, but considering the budget, it is so good. Let me check the 4 flashlight. Oh, it's powerful. So it supports dual SIM, and it is quite fast, as you can see. Like, it is really fast and smooth. Like, it has beam UPI support, and in the settings you get normal language supports, Hindi, English, and other Indian regional languages. You can see this display quality is good. It doesn't have a decent viewing angles like LCD IPS panels. It has a TFT screen, but it looks good. See, you can see the flashlight. It is powerful. So considering the budget of 1500 for a keypad phone which boots up so fast and has a flash this fast like a torch, very good. It has all these things inside, and it is a quite good phone, and it has a huge battery. So if you want a phone for phone call, this is the best phone. And if you want to stay away from smartphones, you can use this one. It has a wireless FM. Maybe let me try this. Menu, and there should be an FM. Games and services, file manager, multimedia, go live. What is this? Where is the games and services? No. Tools, alarm, torch. Okay, this is not here. No, that's like the same thing you need. Multimedia, FM. Okay, I found the FM. Yeah, it doesn't need a 3.5mm jack to be filled for the FM thing to work. And this is how the phone. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you really like this video.